morning everybody और जतो को जोहार मौज की मिना पिया तो उनका की मौज की तान पे और हम मीटन blog thing है nothing. Today I have come with one more blog. In today's blog you will be seeing we are visiting a friend's house because I think you saw the last vlog that 100 subscribers meet up friends. So those friends have come back from Siliguri. They have come to my home. So from my home we are going to another friend house. So we are going to friend's house for lunch. So let's go and just enjoy the video guys. So friends we have come to the main road. As you can see this is the main road. तो भैया को मेन रोड ले है ना तो चला कनाले बंधु ओड़ा नु इंडियन बंधु गड्डी चलिया अदो इन दो टाइम रिंग दुड़ुबो कना बोले ठीक है. सो आई एम सिटिंग बैक साइड एज अ पिलियन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू Gudri, okay, from Karandigi. It is around 15 kilometers, 15 to 20 kilometers. So we are going there to friend's house for the lunch as I told you before. So guys, let's go and see you on the way then, okay. जतो को यहाँ पे we have almost reached our friend's house. It's a nice way. So you can see we have to go through this village. Let's go guys, just enjoy the video guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below how you're enjoying the videos, okay. See water pump और भैया को यहाँ लड़िया कहाँ पे missing agriculture, you know, this is the agriculture done in the village. Just look at small shops, goats. So भैया को friends, viewers, he's our friend. His name is Manoj. And we are meeting after 2 years. Just look at his reactions. See, handshaking.
And this is the
So these two are very good friends. They are actually. See. So how are you, man?
Finally reached.
Yeah, man, I'm very good.
The Manoj here ka
Looking so handsome. So let's go inside. Okay. Let's go inside. Then we'll see you after some time. So viewers, as you can see, we are sitting down here. Guess why we are sitting down here? We are sitting here on the floor. You can see. So this is the way how we eat in the village. We are sitting on the floor. तो भैया को हाँ दुड़ बड़ा होना ले दाका जम लगी वाले दुड़ रेडी ना तो अनेक गिलास को सूर बड़ा होता अदो दाका ले जमा ही तो we are going to have lunch right now. So in village normally people sit on the floor and have food.
Say that now.
Yeah.
We have opened the marks because we have to eat.
Yeah, so we have opened the marks guys, so don't ask, don't comment that where is your marks and all.
Always
Yeah.
wear mask.
So the owner is coming, I mean Manoj, the friend house we have come. So Monaj, what are you feeding us? Chem jom jo ilya. Oh, so he is saying he has cooked mutton for us. As we had requested, so he has prepared everything well. So guys, let's have food.
After that again we talk.
Then see you. Just enjoy the video guys. तो बोया को दाका ले जम कर लेगी ठीक है तारपर नसिया लेटा लावा दाका ले जम कर लेगी ओय पेयल दा नि बंधु कोड़ा थरी अगु लेकना ठीक है guys, we have got the plates. All are quite happy. अडी रस्का गिले मेना लिया खास करते उनी उनी कोड़ा अडी रस्का रे मेना उनी हुई चे पे होतीस ना चावाई ना अवरी चावा मैं दाका को ले जम बड़ा के दुड़ू बड़ा बना ले ओंकाते यहाँ पे सनाम हॉल ले दुड़ू बड़ा बना अड़ी अड़ के ले जम के दाका तू अड़ी मौज के ले कियो के सनाम भैया को चे लगा दाका तू अड़ी ना पाए हैं अड़ी ना पाए ताले तो नसिया ले जीरो कना और नुको बंधु कोड़ा को चला गंगारामपुर तो जम बड़ा के ले जीरो कना और मी घड़ी पर ले उंडुंगा और ले चलाव रुड़ा बांग स्टिक में ना तो नॉट इन बैग इट इज एट होम ओनली तो भैया को जीरो चुवर ले मेरे हेलो व्यूअर्स और जतो को की जोहार हलानो दाका जम बड़ा कते बंधु ओड़ा रे तो उंडुंगो कानते ना ओले उन जोखो गी या camera real charge low na yesterday. So this is day 2. So yesterday in my friend's house, after having lunch, while we were coming out, while we were on our way to home, so unfortunately my mobile battery went low, and then I could not record anything. So this is next day and I am recording here. You can see this is our paddy field. You can see everywhere. This is our paddy field. तो खेत से हे कना बया को येल पे और आपे को दो हुडू पे रहे बड़ा के दस बांग. See, these two are ours. This full length of this is ours. This also ours. That also ours. And the next one also ours. Till the trees na, that is ours. So just came to see whether the water has dried or what. If the water has dried in the paddy fields, then we have to water it. And guys, I'm not wearing mask here because you know this is very natural, fresh air. Okay, you don't need a mask, seriously. Okay, so just looking around, guys. Let's look at how it is. See, with the palm trees. How beautiful it is, guys. So this is going to take nearly about 1.5 months to grow, and then they will be cutting it down. And the water has also really dried in the paddy fields. Da ko anje chabaw kana to da huwa. Well, there's some water here. Just look at, there's some water. But this water is not sufficient for this field. Over there also the water is very less. So we have to water it. Maybe by tomorrow we'll water these paddy fields. So with what we will be watering, you know, there's a machine there, water machine, so which directly throws out water, and this is how we do cultivations in our village. Just look at, there is the machine there. With that we do the cultivation to take waters. And just look at, guys, this has completely dried. This is completely dried, so I think this we need to water it. So hope, guys, you all are enjoying my videos here. I'm new to YouTube, so please keep supporting, you know, and please do like my videos. That's really amazing. If you like my videos, you know, it motivates me to make new blogs, new videos. So guys, everywhere water has dried, so maybe by tomorrow we'll be watering it. So watering also, there is a time. We need to water it in the early morning before the sun rises, or you know, 5 o'clock, 5:30, because after that there will be so much of heat, and then there is no use of watering the paddy fields. So guys, I hope all are doing well in your hometown during this COVID. You know, it's horrible, man. From last 5 months we are at home. I hope all are doing fine, and I know it's really getting bored by staying at home. So do something which, you know, which makes you spend your time. Do something really good. So I'll be sitting here for some time under the trees. So these are our trees. This full thing is ours, you know. Just look at, till wherever your eyes goes, these paddy fields are ours. So after sitting here for half an hour, I was sitting under the trees. So now I am going back to my grandfather's house. So viewers, I have come back home. Orang hena. So niye tegi video yang mucet dah. So if you like the video, for any kind of reason, please give a like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. तो भैया को वीडियो लाइक पे, शेयर पे और कमेंट पे नियत की वीडियो मुझे दा वीडियो मौज की देखे ओके हाय प्लीज कमेंट पे, ठीक है, टाटा बाय बाय।